Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the system and opening Device Manager. First, save work and create a restore point so you can recover if something goes wrong. Once done, open Start, type Device Manager, and press Enter to launch the utility. In Device Manager, expand display adapters and note the exact GPU model. This prevents removing the wrong device. Make sure to confirm whether you have integrated and discrete GPUs, so you only target the intended driver for uninstallation. Next, you proceed to uninstall the driver and perform cleanup. Right-click the GPU entry and choose Uninstall Device. If the checkbox to delete driver software appears, check it to remove driver files. After confirming, reboot so Windows can load a generic display driver and stabilize the desktop. If residual files remain or you want a clean reinstall, run Display Driver Uninstaller from Safe Mode. The removes registry entries and leftover files, which prevents conflicts with the new driver. Finally, you reinstall and verify the display system. Download the latest driver from the GPU vendor and run its installer, or let Windows Update provide a compatible driver. This restores full performance and features. After installation, check resolution and refresh rate settings and confirm monitor cables and ports are secure. If you encounter black screens or instability, boot Safe Mode and run or use the restore point you created to roll back. One key tip: unplug secondary monitors during reinstall to simplify detection and reduce driver confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.